avvicinata alla ceramica.
My name is Elvira Corrao. I was born in 1965 and I approached lava tile stone as a therapy. And it helped me very much to overcome a depression that had affected me.
La pietra lavica deve essere prima dalla cava, viene presa e poi tagliata.
The lava stone is taken from the quarries and cut into slabs that are then glazed, and once the glaze dries, they are decorated like a majolica and then fired. Therefore, the lava stone is glazed and has such an exceptional resistance that we make tables, cutting boards, and even floors.
Questi sono stati fatti durante il periodo del lockdown.
These were made during the lockdown and represent a Saracen and a paladin from our opera of the puppet. This is lava stone glued on wood. These are 30 by 30 centimeter tiles. They are modular compositions that altogether can form floors or murals. They can also be used as cutting boards. The work I am most attached to is that one. My mother-in-law says, because it is disjoint like my head.
Per questo, poi cerco di ricomporlo.
Perché
Se faccio ceramica è la pietra che mi guida. Se faccio pietra lavica dipende.
If I make ceramic, it is the stone that guides me. If I make lava stone, I like to do mostly paladins. This is a blue paladin that recalls the Portuguese azuleo ceramics. Sicily is everything. I like the markets, the people working, the figurative in general.